Panda, 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 panda. I got broads in Atlanta, just to lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers, getting no licks in the band. Legacies, family, fancy, look like a panda. Going out like a Montana.
Hello guys and welcome back with another short video क्योंकि भाई अपनी एग्ज़ाम चालू है तो अपन को शॉर्ट ट्रिक्स ही सिखाने हैं आप लोग को बहुत शॉर्ट ट्रिक्स। लेट्स बिगिन। आज की ट्रिक है ये है एस ऑफ हार्ट्स। नाउ वॉच इट as it changes into the ace of spades. Yep, that's the secret. आप हाइलाइट्स देख लो थोड़ी बहुत, इसे कैसे मैनेज करना है वो सब भी मैं बाद में दिखा दूंगा। So guys, this is really simple trick. No, not to be honest, not really simple, but requires practice. So in this, you see it like this, but I'll show you how it's done. What you're gonna do is hold this tight, and pull. Yeah, this happens. स्टार्टिंग में तकलीफ़ें होगी भाई. It's not, see what the fuck. In this, what we do is pull the card from your pinky. You can practice it like this. Keep pulling. Cover this action so no one can see. Practice it a lot of times. See, it's not really happening. You need to practice a lot. And you need some shitty actions too. Hold on for shit out of this deck. This deck is really hard, you see. It's really painful. See, it's really so hard in this deck. So for this trick, what you require is a deck which can be bendable. Oh, as you saw that, not such. Let's cut it off and wait for one more second. So let's get a deck which can be folded. And yeah, now what we do is आपको ये प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ता है, ये फिर ही सब होता है. The more you practice, the perfect you get. After you practice in this, you need to get some your actions like whatever. But you should keep in mind, like, if you do this, your hand should cover this, because what you're doing is you're doing this, flicking and holding it here. If you practice this, you'll get it correctly here. Now if you practice this and you get your action correct, now it's easy to manage it, like I'll show you. If you do this, you have this, you can spread the deck and hide it, and here it goes. Otherwise it's like Oh, wait, sorry, my bad. You did like this, and now you rotate it. Here it is, without showing. You do it like this. It's very useful in many magics, like tell the spectator choose a card. He chooses a card, shows you, ask him to insert here, he inserts, and you do watch. The magic happens here. And you can show that every card in this deck is faced except your card, which I can't find. I don't know where the hell. Never mind, it works, but fuck, where the fuck is it? Yeah, you see this, so it can be useful in many magics. So practice this trick. This is not a beginner's trick. It took me 2 weeks to practice it, and I'm good at now. So keep practicing. Bye bye. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.